Hello, Brigham Videcon, welcome back. Now let's have a quick look at the install of a typical Uniview IP system. Uniview have correctly, in my opinion, identified that the biggest catalyst for most install companies is engineering time. So what you'll find with this roundup of the graphical user interface is there are efficiencies for both the end user and the installer at every stage of the install, including the maintenance thereafter, which we'll get into. And a big part of that is adding and removing cameras at the install. Plug and play systems are incredibly easy. Camera 1, for example, here, I've got installed, plugged directly into the back of the camera, and on a plug and play setup, dead easy. We have a huge advantage with Uniview that with this extended transmission button, we can get up to 300 meters of PoE from the recorder to a Uniview CCTV camera. And if we utilize the Uniview PoE switches, we can then from that get 250 meters from the Uniview switch to the Uniview CCTV camera just through the click of a button, which is a really useful addition. So plug and play, dead easy. But what's fairly unique about Uniview is we've also got an inbuilt IP search tool. With this search tool, as you can see here, I have a 4-channel recorder, channels 1, 2, 3, 4. Anything else that sits within the network of that CCTV recorder will sit below your channel list. So if I were to plug into our head office building here, it actually finds all the third-party CCTV products as well, which is really useful if you're trying to add third-party on-bit streams to the Uniview as well. So as you can see, only one camera added there, the plug and play system, but let me show you 2 different methods of adding a CCTV camera. Firstly, let's click and add. As I say, we've searched the network here. I can see the other 2 cameras that I'm looking to add. If I want to add, for example, this first Easy Series camera, I can click on the camera itself, and when I do so, it'll automatically change the IP address for me. There we go. Extended transmission if I need to, username and password if it differs from the standard out of the box. Hit OK, and away you go. You've added a camera over the network within a few short clicks. And away we go, camera 2 is back online. The second option here is what we have is the ability to configure a Uniview camera. If we've got a Uniview recorder and a Uniview camera, I can actually configure the IP address of that camera through the graphical user interface of the recorder without the need of a laptop or a third-party device to log into the camera head first of all. So quickly and easily I can configure and amend the IP address of this camera. So in my example here, I'm just going to amend the IP address so it matches what the channel 3 is actually looking for. Pop in the username and password, hit OK, and we've actually been able to change the IP address of the camera within a few short clicks through the graphical user interface. When we do that as well, it'll also statically assign the IP address. So again, no need to get a laptop out or the ever popular Uniview Connect box or your test monitor, for example. So quickly and easily, 2 methods of adding an extra camera. What we'll go into next is setting up the analytics. So do come back, thank you.